Hi, I'm Stephen from VR Central, and this week, well, I've got something very special indeed. I've been looking forward to this ever since I ordered it about 3 months ago. It is, of course, the brand new Oculus Quest 2. You can't tell that because it's still inside its handy little Amazon box here, but I am going to open this up and take a look inside because this is really, really exciting. Now, the Oculus Quest 2, well, as some of you know, is the replacement for the original Oculus Quest. And one of the nice things about this is it's improved on the original one many, many, many ways. And because of that, well, it's going to be fun to have a look at what they've changed, what they've kept the same, and most importantly, whether it makes a really big difference to you as a VR player, a VR user at home. So let's get inside this big box. Of course, lots and lots of stuff to put into the recycling, including all of this. I don't think I can use it as wrapping paper, so goodbye to you. And wow, slightly underwhelming box. Not the biggest thing I've ever seen here, but here we go. Nicely wrapped, and it's very, very Apple-like white packaging. So let's throw that over there, get rid of you, and here we are. So, Oculus Quest 2. So this is definitely a smaller box than the original. It seems that they're trying to keep costs down by getting everything into the smallest space possible. Now, I don't know if there's a right way to do cellophane. I know some of you have a thing about cellophane. Some of you find it uncomfortable to hear. Whoop. Sorry about that. Let's get rid of all of that. Excellent stuff. Somebody else will do the tidying up later. Won't be me. And here we go. So this bit comes off the top. Move that over to the side over here. And we have a nice big O for Oculus. And the top. Oh, nice. Okay, I like this already. This is nice and minimalist, very simple. So here we have it. So you have the new controllers. 2 of those, obviously. One would be a bit pointless. The headset itself, which even immediately looking inside, this does look smaller and neater than the original. It appears that, okay, let's take that out. So we've got the straps hidden away in there. I have to say it feels lighter straight away, but we'll go into a comparison between 2 of these in a separate video, so that'll be interesting. Oh, they've covered it. I actually thought this was the covering, but it's not. It's some paper which they've put on the top. How do we take that off? Oh, it's over here. Very nice. Pop that back in the box, keep everything safe. And yeah, okay, so we have the headset itself there. Let's put him to the side over here, and then we have the controllers, which, this is the wrong hand for this controller, this should be in the left. Okay, they're definitely bigger than the old controllers, but again, part of the comparison they'll be coming up in the next video. Yeah, fantastic, really, actually I like the weight, a little bit more substantial than the other ones, which is good. We also have, I believe this helps push the facial interface a little bit further back, should people require that maybe for glasses to change the fit. Oh, a nice finish. Ooh, velvety. That does feel good, that does feel good. And then of course, all of the usual bits and bobs inside the box. Instructions seem to be fairly limited to put it on your head, adjust it, press the button and go, which is, of course, that's how easy mobile VR is now. So there we have it. The brand new Oculus Quest 2. First impressions are, I mean, a number of people said it felt cheap, but actually, because it's smaller and because it feels firm, there's no flex. Actually, I don't think it feels cheap. It feels expensive, which of course, comparatively, it isn't. So exciting. Oh, gotta take those off. I mean, they're just really. Oh yeah, that's good, that's lovely. And let's take that one off as well. Oh yes, double the fun. And of course, yeah, you can move the lenses apart via a click there. Click, click, click. You've got one of 3 different settings for your eyes IPD. But again, more on that in the comparison between this and the previous one. The only thing out the box, and I know everybody else has said this already, the only thing that slightly annoys me is the is this. I mean, it's floppy and doesn't really, I mean, if we're talking something that makes it feel cheap, maybe that's the first thing that you think. I know a lot of people are going to change this for the upgraded hard strap and obviously the battery pack on the back as well. But the only thing, if I had just spent £300, which I did, this is my own hard-earned money. If I just spent £300, possibly I would have thought that feels a bit cheap. But other than that, feels great, looks great. Obviously, I need to get it booted up and connected to my Oculus account. We'll probably have to, connect that with Facebook now, who knows. But it's here, it's ready to go, and I'm very excited. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the quickest unboxing I've ever done, at least, of the Oculus Quest 2. And more on this later as we show a comparison between the Oculus Quest 2 and my original Oculus Quest 1. For now, thanks for watching. Please do hit like and do subscribe as we have many more videos coming up here on VR Central. Ta-ta!